Someone getting out of a car. I think it's right at the stalker place where they always stalk me at. Black and a silver car, I think. And there's another black car and the train horns at the same time. And there's an engine sound right when he turns. It's behind me. And then she's walking up when I walk up. The train horn. Is the train gonna drive out in front of me synced? She just went in the door of the center of the street too. This thing is going off synced. Ding 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 ding. It always goes off synced. The train horn. The train horn, it can't stop syncing. Seeing a bunch of black and silver cars drive through the intersection over there, and the black car was driving through this intersection, and it seems synced. Here comes the train. Here comes the train.